Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. Today my topic is structure annuity settlement. So we write it in Google and tell you about the annuity structure. STRUCTUR structure. This one not right here. So I repeat it. STRUCTU structure annuity a double n u a double n u I T annuity settlement SETTLEMENT settlement. So this one is here, so I can easily get it from Google, so I started to click it out. So this one, what it said about the structure analysis structure. So firstly we discuss about structure analysis statement settlement. So what is that? A structured settlement analysis structured settlement allow a claimant to receive all or a portion of the personal injury. Means that you can claim or claim it or receive a portion, means to some part of your anything you can easily get bothered. So wrongful death or the workers compensation settlement in a series of income tax free periodic payment, means to you can get the free insurance as the accident of wrongful death or a compensation, means to if you have a death or some accident cases, then you can get a tax free periodic payments easily from your for your structures advisement, and you can get it. So we click it out and get what's happened with this. What is the annuity statement? Then we click it. People also ask about it, so we click it and then see structure state settlement are the periodic payments awarded to an injured party to follow certain court cases. Okay, though, so the payments are most often funded through an annuity contract with a life insurance company, but annuity can serve other purposes too, such as income security in retirement. So it's the same basic words is the annuity system, that you have some get some money without any taxes at the age of your retirement, and the as the security payments. So it's give you the complete review about what is an artist settlement. So we get another way and get another answer. What is the different business between structure and the annuity? So people also ask about it, so we click it here. And what a structured settlement follows a court purpose, so it is completely based on court, not a personal or a person publics, and it is the esteem to payments determined through negotiated between a plaintiff and the defendant. And annuity is the financial products that guarantees regular payments over time from an insurance company. So it's just easy and simple way. So I will see you in a next video. Then bye bye.